As the World Humanitarian Day is being observed across the globe today, Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir remains a no-go area for the international humanitarian organizations. In order to keep its state terrorism away from the sight of the world, the Indian government has never allowed the international humanitarian workers and organizations to operate in the occupied Kashmir. Narendra Modi-led Indian government is hell-bent upon robbing the precious resources of the internationally recognized disputed territory of occupied Kashmir after announcing the auction of lithium mines discovered in the Riasi district of the Jammu division. The Modi regime is all set to auction Kishtwar sapphire mines. The announcement to this effect was made by the Delhi-appointed Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir, Manoj Sinha, while speaking to media in Kishtwar. All parties Hurriyat conference leaders have condemned the fresh spree of raids, crackdowns and arrests unleashed by the Indian forces in every nook and corner of the occupied Kashmir. APHC leaders in their separate statements termed the house raids and arrest of the youth by the Indian forces personnel the worst form of political vengeance. Senior leader of Indian National Congress Rahul Gandhi has said that the extremist Hindu organization Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh is trying to capture institutions created by the Constitution in India. Rahul Gandhi said this while interacting with the youth in Leh district of the Ladakh region of the occupied Kashmir. Political experts and analysts in occupied Kashmir have said that India is using rape as a military tactic to punish and humiliate the Kashmiris for challenging its illegal occupation of their homeland. The political experts and analysts in their interviews and statements in Srinagar said molestation of women during cordon and search operation is being used as a tool by the Indian troops to terrorize the entire population. All parties Hurriyat conference leaders Khwaja Firdaus, Syed Bashir Andrabi and Muhammad Shafi Lone have said that the Modi-led Bharatiya Janata Party government has started a campaign with an aim to change the demography of occupied Kashmir. Khwaja Firdaus, Syed Bashir Andrabi and Muhammad Shafi Lone in a joint statement issued in Srinagar said the Modi-led BJP regime is illegally violating all international laws. High Court of Occupied Kashmir quashed the illegal detention of 4 persons who were booked under the draconian law, the Public Safety Act. The court directed the authorities to release the detainees forthwith. All parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter convener Mahmood Ahmad Sagar has expressed serious concern over the continued illegal detention of Hurriyat leaders lodged in different jails in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir and India. Scores of the Hurriyat leaders including APHC chairman Musarrat Alam Bhatt, Shabir Ahmad Shah, Muhammad Yasin Malik and Asia Andrabi were booked and lodged in different jails. People staged a protest demonstration in the Jammu city against the anti-people policies of the authorities. A large number of people participated in the protest and expressed their opposition to the installation of the smart meters, citing concerns about the ability to afford the increased tariffs based on the smart meter readings.